camera, everything looks really cool. On this camera, everything looks ridiculous. Cool, ridiculous, cool, ridiculous. But I love this view. Everyone thinks I'm riding around with a giant camera boner, which I kind of am. Don't want to make eye contact with people for too long when you got this going. Look at these guys. God, it smells like weed out here. Late November and it's like in the upper 70s today. I'm wearing my Icon jacket because I'm supposed to like hate them or something, right? If you're unaware, there was a weird drama between me and Icon and a bunch of other moto vloggers. Here was a video about it. It's probably dumb, you shouldn't watch it. I was like the worst self-promoter. Like, ah, don't watch it, it's stupid. Anyways, I actually went back and watched the video because I was like, was I too harsh on him? And I don't think I was. I thought I explained my point well. I didn't beat him up too much. I cleared up some talking people were doing on my behalf. I thought I was putting some fires out. Yeah, I made it. I thought I presented my case well. I think they make all right. I wonder if they're still sour about it. Icon, if someone from Icon hears this, are y'all still sour? Because if you are, that's silly. Look at the outcome. The whole thing was so stupid. Nobody liked them. That's like a thumbnail right there. Holy shit. But hey, if you're seeing this on YouTube and you're not a Patreon, that's impressive. I was nearly just gonna not make riding videos anymore. I ride a bike and it's gonna get like that yellow flag on there, which not only means you don't get paid on it, you know, like it just gets suppressed. Views were garbage. They weren't making any money, but the Patreons were like, hey Jake, why don't you make some more riding videos? I like riding. I'll go make riding videos. Here we are. They made it really optional this time. I didn't even have to like try. You want to see some still look cool? Take your 360 camera, whip it around back behind you, get it under the backpack. There's my glove. Alright, I've put away the 360 cameras. It is starting to get a little dark. I also need to get fuel. I've gone to reserve, and last time I went to reserve on this bike, I pushed it. So let's try to avoid that. Yeah, the GoPro 360 camera, that new one, called like the Max or whatever. Can we make it over that? Oh my god. Oh! Had to use it for real right there. And a 360 camera from GoPro. That might be pretty cool. Might be worth checking out. I probably shouldn't tell you to buy that one because I have an affiliate code for the other one I was just showing you. And they sent it to me in hopes that I would not probably promote them and not the other one. Let's go back over there and check that out real quick. No, we don't. See, This is my problem. I forget that I'm on reserve. Obviously, this is like old school. I don't have a fuel light. I need like a chalkboard with like a piece of chalk, and I'm like, you know, I have to write like paint a picture of the fuel thing. I don't know. But hey, I've almost got, actually, let me see how many miles I've done on it since the, what's that? What the f is that? RPM, trip, distance. There is distance. Oh, we've crossed over at 1,000. Okay, I forgot. I don't know how my dash works. I've never really like fully figured these dashes out. Yes, now that I have officially done 1,000 miles on the build, I felt like I should do some kind of review video. It's not this video. I'll do it soon. I've already screwed around there much. I was wanting to talk to y'all in this video. I missed that. Because I feel like if you do it like right away, you're more or less giving your first impression. And then if you wait like a year or something, you're giving like a long-term impression. But I don't know, people go ride a bike for like 2 hours and call it a review. So who am I to say that's not a review? I've done 1,000 miles. I'll tell you what I think now. But in the next video. If I made this way too complicated, for real, dude, I didn't ride this thing for like almost a month. I got real busy after I came back from having my appendix out. Like, this thing's already, I know, right? Don't beat me up. I got a new baby at the house. I'm trying. I was actually like thinking about like, well, maybe I should just sell it to fund another project. Then I went and rode it last Saturday with Ray and Anthony. Mars. That guy's probably a cop though right there. Look at this white truck. See? Hi, and you, Ray. I don't want to sell it anymore. For fun, but oh, there we go. We're running out. Come on. You mother... Dude, I just hit reserve like a few minutes ago. Well, there it is, boys. This thing can go like 5 seconds on reserve. I gotta have to start learning how to use the trip on this thing because this is getting dumb. There's a gas station not far from here. It's like, so that water tower is, it's like right up there, so it's not the end of the world, but holy... Hey, there's some. All right. See if we can make it to the gas station on that. See if we can make it! Come on, bike! I don't like this gas station, but you know what? I love it right now. Favorite gas station in the whole wide world. It's Honda gas. Look at that. Look how slow it's going. The filter probably hasn't been changed in like 6 years. Still work at a gas station. Yeah, that's insane how slow that's coming out. Dude, however long this took to fill, I'll put it as a timestamp right now. It took that long to fill. It's like, is it leaking out? I know this place is a front for meth, but like, I could try to keep the pumps running okay. Look better for them. I don't want to put the big tank back on here. I hate how it looks. But I might have to. For you who are non-patrons who don't know exactly what the next project is coming up, there is a really cool project coming up. I'm more excited about this one than I was about this one. This one, I was initially excited about the Supermoto build because I wanted another Supermoto. I really wanted an XR real bad. And then I got the XR that I got, and then I realized what a piece of it was. I knew what a piece of shit it was when I bought it. I'm not stupid. But like, you know, you're just like, no, it's no big deal because I'll just give me an excuse to replace this part and that part and blah, blah, blah. And I got it for really cheap. And then like, then you had like stress and you're like, oh my God, what did I do? This one's just fun. This one I'm just excited about. So it's going to be a sweet project. I got my lift now. I'm working on some other things on the old horizon there. But I'll get out on the bike and ride every once in a while, even if YouTube doesn't like it. And you probably won't see it because the Patreons want to see it. Later.